people are buying thinking that I better buy now, it's going to go up. We know, I couldn't tell you if it's next week. It's probably not going to be next week. It's probably not going to be the first half of next year by all the forecasts we look at, but some point out there a little bit, we're going to see a correction. We're going to see prices first flatten out, then start to decline. Then everybody's going to be in a panic like they need to sell, and it's going to cause things to drop. And here we go again. And that's when people that purchase things that they shouldn't have end up really hurting themselves and their families. So yeah, I think your advice is wise. I think you need to have these tough conversations about the what ifs. If property values go down, they're going to come back up again. But during that downtime, are you able to continue to make payments? What's the risk of losing your income? And just look
Yeah.
at that whole picture kind of on the dark side as opposed to where it's all great, in the moment.